I take that as a compliment.
Skywalkers, hold on!
Going up!
I'm a friend. What in the world is that?
It's a BB wing.
Who are you?
I'm the...
Jake, look out! They're bounty hunters!
Drive up! He's got a subthermal detonator!
Subthermal?
As in freezing us in carbonite!
Mom.
None of you realize what you've done. So nonsensical! Ah, the chaos! How are you?
He said it! He said the thing!
Hey, next time we make a plan, do it. Look at the mess you've made of my perfect solitude!
You know, I think we'll take our chances. I'm not big on the giving up thing. You never know what's gonna happen.
You hurt me. A true power.
Just do it. You bore me.
Did you see that, Jedi Bob? I mean, Master A.
Coming through! Time to give me back my galaxy.
Hey, you dark side dweebits!
The good guys always find a way!
Our heads together, be they metal or
Your galaxies. And some of you have only just found each other again.